Good morning. My name is Mike Haltman. I'm the CEO of Hallmark Abstract Service. We provide title insurance for residential and commercial real estate transactions in New York. And today I want to talk about something that isn't getting a ton of press, but is probably a fairly significant story. And I kind of call it which one of these two dirty shirts would you rather wear? It concerns our interest rates, mortgage rates, the real estate market, home buyers, commercial real estate buyers, and refinancers. For those not following, the Bank of Japan just raised their rate for the first time in decades. The 10-year Japan bond is now over 2% for the first time in decades, now trading at 208. And the significance is that both of our countries have significant deficits uh, on the scale of, debt to GDP well over 100%. Uh, that creates a competition for funds. We're both debtor nations. Uh, Investors from Japan had been participating in our markets to a large scale because they couldn't get any interest rates at home. Now that that situation's changing, it does change the dynamic to a certain extent, and we have to ask ourselves, can interest rates in this country fall when we have $38 trillion dollars in debt, when inflation is definitely not totally under control? So I guess the question is this a big deal? Is this no deal? Is it a small deal? And I think it's just something that everyone needs to keep an eye on. Other than that, this week it's pretty quiet, and I don't know if I mentioned the date, but it's December 22nd, 2025. I wish a very happy Hanukkah, a very Merry Christmas to all of the listeners, and most important of all, a happy, healthy, safe, and prosperous 2026 to everyone. And that said, go out and make it a great day.